So here's how you can use the Freeform app on the iPad with specifically the Apple Pencil. So let's get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, obviously the Apple Pencil is a great extension of the iPad and you can use it for multiple different things. When it comes to the Freeform app, you can obviously, before you have it like open any of the boards, you can just move it around and you can just click on the elements within the app and open up a brand new board or go to the existing one. But once you are inside of that board, you don't really use the Apple Pencil to move things around. Once you tap the screen with the Apple Pencil, it automatically activates the markup feature and you can see that I start to draw right away. So that's actually great because it saves you some time. If you wanted to do it with a finger, you would have to tap on the pencil, the markup tool button and at the top, and then use your finger to draw. But with the Apple Pencil, you just go there straight away. So you can of course change the pen tools, if you like the shape and the size, opacity, color, all of that, and yeah, use your Apple Pencil for that purpose, right? So you can basically zoom in and out with your fingers. You can move the images and elements, but once you zoom in or find a place where you want to add like handwritten text, you can use the Apple Pencil so you can touch it right away, and that's how you can add stuff. So that would be it. That is how you can use it. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else that you are kind of like wondering about. Then yeah, I could make an updated video about it, but for now that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.